if you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A27 overheats or if it has heating issues, then the answer is partially, somewhat yes. I cannot really say that it overheats. I wouldn't say that it has like full heating issues and that, you know, that the performance drops or maybe the phone is unusable or something like that. But I have to say that at times the phone gets hotter. I cannot say warmer, because that would be an understatement, or I would just underestimate that temperature. But it gets hotter. You can still use the phone without any problems. I didn't notice any performance issues or anything like that. The phone was still usable. Although I think you can get it to even higher temperatures. I think the highest temperature that I got was like 41.5 degrees Celsius. So maybe for some people this already is the state of overheating. That's fine. If you say so, then of course that's then in that case the answer is yes. But for me, I don't think that really is. I would say if it's like closer to 43 degrees, which is of course still pretty close to that, but not exactly. So in that case, I would say the phone overheats, but I couldn't actually get the phone to that temperature. You can definitely feel when the form gets warmer, especially over here at the top, right next to cameras. And it happens if you do demanding tasks, obviously. So if you, for example, play games a lot, or if you use camera for a longer time, then it might happen that the phone gets warmer or hotter. And you can definitely feel that if you hold the phone. But honestly, I wouldn't really say that it overheats. So, of course, I can be wrong. Maybe you can actually overheat the phone. I might be wrong, and it might be possible to do so. But personally, I didn't really experience it. So while the temperature can get above 41 degrees Celsius, I'm not sure if I can really call it overheating. Maybe it could be better. Maybe it should be manageable by the phone to actually reduce the heating, reduce the temperature. But this is how it looks like. So yeah, I think it's still okay. It gets hotter, as I said, but it feels still pretty okay to use the phone. And I didn't notice any problems with the phone not working or stuttering or dropping performance in general. So I think it's like somewhat fine. That's why I say that partially yes or something, because it's like 50-50, honestly. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.